Oh, shoot. I wasn't even recording. That's Daryl, Marlene, Tombstone Annie, and Mental P Mama in the chair. And way out there, Chesapeake Bay Woman and Country Girl, Asthma Girls on the floaty. And there's Big Hair Envy and Nono Girl. And I don't know his name, Philip, I think. And there's Nono's girl's husband. And Grandma Jay. And Meg from Super Pot of Finger Food. And Lori from Florida. I wasn't recording last time. Sitting here babbling away into it, not even. Where's Meg? There's Megawatt. Again? Yeah, I forgot to record last time. Genius. I know. I tried. And here's me, sweaty and hot and drunk.